Welcome back. They say diet is your bank and making good food choices are your best investments. So let's learn how to make some good food investments from Chef Tarun in today's episode of Pinch of Health.
Hello viewers, welcome to Pinch of Health. Today I'm going to make shakshuka with power pack ingredients here. So we have fresh spinach, we have mustard, kale, parsley, a bit of spicy, so I'm going to add some jalapenos to it. So we have mint, then we have eggs, and of course I'm going to pair it with Lebanese brown bread. So before we begin cooking, I'm going to remove the stems. So let's take some spinach, 7 to 8 leaves of spinach here, mustard, we have kale, so I'll remove the stems because they are too thick and they're going to take too much time of cooking as well, and they're going to give you a bitter taste in the end. So this is done. Jalapenos, just go easy with chilies because it's going to be super spicy. So jalapenos are done. Now Lebanese bread, I'm going to toast them little. So before I do that, I'm going to cut them into quarters. So if you note, this is brown bread, super healthy, super nutritious. So this is also done here. Let's start with cooking now. So we will start with some olive oil, just about 2 tablespoons. So now the oil is hot and I'm going to put some fresh jalapenos, about 1.5 tablespoons here. So once they are slightly cooked, I'm going to add my veggies, spinach, mustard leaves. I'm going to rest them for some time. We'll put fresh kale leaves. Let's season them, some salt, a touch of black pepper. I have used green leafy vegetables here, but you can use any vegetables of your choice. So now the leafy vegetables are ready to go. I'm going to make a gap in between and I'm going to pour eggs in here. Don't forget to season your eggs as well. So now we're going to poach them slowly. So now eggs are ready and we should plate up. So beautiful looking. I mean, I would prefer to dig in, but I have to plate it up. So I'm gonna scoop out egg here. So now we will take out the portion. Garnish it with some fresh mint leaves, fresh parsley, and we have warm Lebanese brown bread to pair it with. So my breakfast is ready. Let's make some tea. So now I'm in a mood to have passion fruit iced tea. Quite easy, super easy, and summers are here, so I'm gonna have something cold, chilled, nice drink. So passion fruit, fresh. We have lime, of course. I'm gonna start with the tea bag. I'm going to infuse the green tea here. So let's pour some hot water. So this is about 1.5 cup. So let it sit for a few minutes, let's say 4 to 5 minutes. Passion fruit. See, most of you must be wondering why passion fruit, because it's little sour on the palate. I'm gonna add honey as my sweetener here because it's healthy, yes. So if you don't have passion fruit, you can use any other fruit as well. Let's say strawberry, watermelon, and the list goes on. Even blueberry as well. So I'm using seeds because they will add a crunch to the drink, and of course it will give all the wholesome flavor to the entire drink as well. And I'll keep this for my garnish. So this one is ready, and this is my glass here. So now it's time to pour the passion fruit pulp in. Let's put some ice. I'm going to add some lemon because I want to give it a little lemony touch to the drink. So let me remove some seeds out. So now the tea is properly infused. Wow. So I'm gonna pour it into the glass here. So I have this beautiful color here, and I'll wait until it settles down. This is your honey, so about, let's say, 1 tablespoon. So you're going to stir it little. We garnish it with fresh passion fruit. Looks beautiful, isn't it? My breakfast is ready, and I hope you enjoyed today's Pinch of Health. This is me, Tarun, signing off. See you next week on Zee Connect. Let's take a quick recap for green shakshuka. In a pan, 2 tablespoons olive oil, chopped jalapenos, mustard leaves, spinach leaves, kale. Sear them on low heat. Once leaves are cooked, make some space in between and crack 3 to 4 eggs. Season them with salt and pepper. Cover with lid to let it steam. Once eggs are completely cooked, take generous amount of portion to serve. Garnish with fresh mint leaves, fresh parsley, and serve warm Lebanese brown bread with it. It's time for drink. Passion fruit iced tea. Place 1 tea bag in jar. Pour 1½ cup hot water. Let it sit for few minutes. Take fresh passion fruit, cut into half. Take the fresh passion fruit seeds out. Now take long serving glass. Add 2 tablespoons of fresh passion fruit seeds, 2 ice cubes, a dash of lemon juice. Now pour infused tea water. For the sweetness, drizzle 1 tablespoon honey and mix it. For the garnish, cut passion fruit in half and place it on the glass rim.